Welcome to EduSec SharePoint training. Topic is column and list level validation. Let me open my SharePoint site. I'm opening customers list. So ID, first name, last name, email, location, status are the columns. And these are rows. This is one row. This is another row. This is another row. So we'll apply column level validation. To apply column level validation, we have to click on this. We have to click on column settings, click on edit, more options, column validation, and this is the place we're going to write the formula. So the formula syntax can be found here. These are the formulas: conditional formulas, date formulas, mathematical formulas, text formulas. I'll explain you one or two syntax. So this is the column 1 values and column 2 values. So every formula should start with equal to. So column 1 greater than column 2. That means 15,000 greater than 9,000. It's true. 15,000 is greater than 9,000. It's true. So this formula returns true. Next, if condition, if column 1 less than or equal to column 2. Let's see, 15,000 less than or equal to 9,000. So 15,000 is not less than 9,000. So it's false. So this condition is false. That means not OK will be returned. So if this condition is true, OK will be returned, else not OK. Here the result is not OK because the condition is false. The condition is false, so it is returning not OK. And here they're using AND condition. So they want to check two conditions here. So these two conditions should be true. So column 1 greater than column 2. Column 1 greater than column 2. It's true. And column 1 less than column 3. Column 1 less than column 3. This is false. So one condition is true and one condition is false. Okay, if we are using AND operator, then both the conditions should be true. That means like we are checking two conditions. One condition is this one and the other condition is this one. If both the conditions are true, then it returns true, else it will be false. If any one condition fails, then it returns false. Next, OR condition. So here, like, this is one condition and this is one condition. And we are applying OR operator here. So column 1 greater than column 2. It's true. 15 greater than 9 is true. And column 1 less than column 3. So 15 is less than 8. It's false. So this condition is true. First condition is true. And second condition is false. So OR operate. So if any of the condition is true, then it returns true here. So OR denotes any of the conditions. If we have two conditions, If any one condition is true, the final result will be true only. AND operator, all the conditions should be true. Okay. So like this, you can just go through the syntaxes. Yeah. And so in the formula section, so we are in the location column and we are in the formula section. So the final output of any condition should be true or false. Okay. So this formula, whatever we are writing here, that condition always should return true or false. But if you take the second condition here, this condition is returning okay, not okay. I mean, if this condition is true, okay will be returned. And if this condition is false, not okay will be returned as output. But this formula will not accept that. Okay and not okay it will not understand. So always we have to return true or false. So instead of okay, we have to keep true. Instead of not okay, we have to keep false. Then it will accept. So that condition can be written like this. So if column 1 less than or equal to column 2, instead of okay, I have written true. Instead of not okay, I have written false. Now let me write a formula here. In location column, I want to accept only India. So let me remove this data. Click on location, column settings, click on edit, go to more options. I'm removing the existing validation. Equal to column name. I want to accept only India value into this location column. Just click on save. We have applied validation on this location column. So let me click on new. Let me try to enter some data here. Location I'm taking is USA. Just clicking on save. So it is showing an error message. Location should be India. Here it is showing, and also at the top, location should be India. So if I enter India and click on save, so the data is saved into the list. So the error message is showing from here, from the user message. Okay. Let's modify this. I want to allow the locations as India, USA, and Australia. What operator I can use? Or operator. So any value can enter into this location column. Any value means India, USA, and Australia. So I'm writing 3 conditions here. So location equal to USA, comma, Australia. Click on save. Just go to new, enter some values here. Entering some dummy data here. Location I'm typing as UK. So UK is not allowed. So location can be any one of this: USA, India, and Australia. So if I type USA, it allows me to enter the data. So this is column level validation. You can apply this column level validation in for any column. Column settings, go to edit, more options, column validation. You can write the formula here, something like this. Status equal to any of the choice columns. If you want to allow only in progress, you can write it like this. Click on new, test@gmail.com. Location USA, and if I click on submitted, so column validation failed. So we have not given any error message there. That is the reason it is showing the default one. Column validation failed. So if I select in progress, it accepts. Click on edit, more options. So right now the list is accepting only in progress values. I'm just removing this. So this is about column level validation. In any column, you can go to any column and you can write your validation. Next, we'll see list level validation. So click on settings, click on list settings, validation settings. In list level validation, we can access any column. So title we can access, status, modified, location, first name. All the columns can be accepted here. And the syntax can be found in this link, same link. So let's write the formula here. I'm using end condition here. Location should be India and status should be approved. Let's say I want to allow the location value as India and status as approved. I want to allow only these two values in location and status columns. So user message, location should be India and status should be approved. Click on save, go to customers, click on new. So entering some dummy data here. Location I'm typing as USA, and this I'm typing as in progress, clicking on save. It's showing error message. Location should be India and status should be approved. If I type location as India, sorry, and status as approved, if I click on save, my data will be saved into this list. This is list level validation. So we have some examples here. I mean, the syntaxes here are the conditional formulas, date and time formulas, mathematical formulas and all. We can try these things. So this is date formulas, adding two columns, adding two columns here. One is date and the other column is showing the number of days, 3 days and 54 days. This, we're adding the columns here. We're adding the dates. So adds 3 days to the column 1. So just go through this, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.